Oh, the dildo 5,000.
The dildo of death.
The dildo of consequences. Is it lube?
Hardly.
This is gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
Did you get 2 shots at it?
What the fuck?
That's all he's got.
Caesar, what the fuck? No, man. What the hell you doing?
Oh, sideways too?
Yeah.
Gangster. Oh, gangsta!
Inside the orange flags.
Everybody
Miss.
Come on.
I think it was over.
Was that further?
It was
I thought
further.
No, didn't it hit right by the stick? Initial land?
I mean,
again.
it was further.
Just shoot. We'll go look at the hole afterwards.
Like it hit me, but
That's fair.
Just shoot.
Shoot.
Double,
Shoot it,
yeah.
double tap it. Fuck it. Double
I
tap.
want to see it again anyway.
you brought 2. Might as well use them.
I know, I thought it looked like it.
I would aim a little bit lower this time, though.
Don't game the game. He gets 9 free hits if he fucking gets this.
Hit the drone, get a win.
Oh, even better.
That's it.
Good.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
That's definitely within the
No question there.
Alright, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Even Joe Biden.
That is the most gangster thing I've ever seen.
On the tank trap.
Tank
In
trap.
the yellow. In the yellow.
In the yellow.
No games again this year.
Hey, you got goat turds on your foot.
Yum.
Thank God he's wearing the safari outfit.
Hey. Big giant rectangle below the car. Holy fuck. Hey.
Nice. No, I
400 by the trash can, to the left of the trash can.
Makes sense.
The Mac is back. Miss.
I'm not seeing any splash.
Shoot another grenade at it.
Check your target.
Bad.
Just to the left of
Look
the
at this.
green garbage can thing.
Oh,
Or was it that one? That was the worst one. One of these, I was like, oh, fuck.
At the trash, or by the trash can, right? Yes.
That's why these shouldn't run. Just to the
No.
By the trash can, to the left of it. By the road.
I'm like, I'm fucking fine.
You see the trash can out there?
Yeah.
Just to the left of the trash can.
It's in the
Yes.
dirt.
Ah, you shoot the wrong one.
That's why nobody saw where it was landing.
Yes. High and to the right looked like.
Oh, yes.
Modern.
I know, right? You have a flashlight and a
Still a
modern
little high.
thing.
High and
Goat
to the right.
turds, just throwing them off. Trash? You hit the trash can.
I think still off the right edge. Feel the wind, feel the wind. There you go. Still a little high. Low left edge. Left edge.
My can on my pistol. It took me like.
Low and centered looked like maybe.
Not. I did.
Hit. Go 5.
500. Big fucking square at top left hip.
Can't see it.
Pretty big target. Looks like.
2 for 1, baby!
I can't help myself. Alright. Sweet.
Horny, you got anything?
Nothing. He's got to be way over top. Just off the right edge.
Yeah, it's on the right edge.
That's it?
Hey, pull that one on the fucking the back holder.